Good morning. Go to okay. Let's see. Everything is up and running properly. Let me check. Just finished texting my brother. For those that know, my sister just went into operation. It's gonna be like a 2 hour or so operation from what he's texting me here. So he's gonna call me when she's done. So a big important day here for the family. My brother is a hypochondriac, so he's freaking out. All I can do is tell him to. There's nothing to do. There's nothing he and I can do. We just have to let the doctor do what they do. Okay, there's no. It's that's just the way I am. Okay, I'm not I'm not built like him. He's we are who we are, right? So I'm old enough to understand that. So I just had to let it be and trying to calm him down a little bit and tell him that it's out of his hand. Nothing that he can do about it at this point. It's in the hand of modern medicine, and cross our fingers that everything will be a-okay. Nothing else we can do. Absolutely nothing else we can do or worry about it. All right. Look like, let's see, McDonald's a little pop to 235. What would I do this morning? Um, what I did last Friday, um, I closed a bunch of put spread. Well, I had two put spread that I closed. The McDonald's one, of course, it closed in profit because my spread was 230, 225. Okay, so that worked nicely. I wrote another put, this time 227, but I did not do a put spread. I will do it today. The way There's two ways you can approach doing like a spread. You can write both spread the same day. Okay, you sell a put, you buy a put. You can do that the same day, or if you want to be a little bit bolder, you can sell the put when the stock is lower to get the better price on the one you're selling, and then you wait a day or two later when the stock is spiking and buy the put below at a much lower price. That is the biggest profitable trade that you can do, which is what I did with McDonald's Friday. On the crash down to 230, down here, I sold the put at 227, so I got a very good premium. I got $3.20 for that, and I'm gonna wait this morning at 9:30 when the stock popped $2. I will buy the put at 220 or 222 or 225 or 325. I mean, or 322.5 for like a buck. Okay, so I have a $2.20 profit margin kind of thing. So that's one way you can do it. Okay, I do it both ways. I'm more comfortable not jumping in right away on something like McDonald's because I'm confident on this floor right here. Now, can it crash through this and go down all the way down to 217? Yes, it's all possible. Okay, that's why I had the put spread. There's a reason why I have the put spread. There's no way I would just sell a put and think it's okay. No, no, no. From now on, at least for the foreseeable future, the big guy have beat it into my head that just don't go out and sell puts, okay? Because you can get caught. So for example, I can go out there and sell put at say 230, 227. What happened if McDonald's dropped to 217? I basically eat $10 of downside because of my put, unless I close it out and lose money, right? So by selling at 227.5 and buy a 222.5, if the stock drop down here, I at least will be protected halfway, if you understand the math. Okay, so do not buy into this pop this morning as anything special. This is the short reloading. Okay, the short that covered at the end in the last hour or two of Friday afternoon are manipulating the market higher. Okay, they are putting the ask high because of course they want to sell high. Why would you want to short into a crashing tape, right? It is exactly the playbook that they are doing. Okay, so all the sucker, all the sucker that is gonna pile in this morning to buy something is gonna get the rug pull the rest of the week. Okay, so just don't do it. Whatever you're doing, you can do whatever you wish, but keep in mind, I'm not advocating anyone to go out there and chasing any FOMO green candle. Let's buy some. Oh no, no, no. I am exhausted today because last night, I did not sleep well. I must have had some kind of negative um, allergic reaction. I was all itchy yesterday in bed. I was like, oh, it was a miserable night's sleep. I'm exhausted right now because I think I had like, I think I look at the clock, it was like 2 a.m. in the morning when I was still itching like a mofo. Um, I was able to find some Benadryl last night and take it at like 2 o'clock in the morning, and then I finally fall asleep. But I got up at the usual 6 a.m. this morning, and I'm just exhausted. I'm tired. I don't know why. Anyhow, TLT. Look, TLT is down. Okay, TLT is heading down. Not a good thing. Not a support for stock. Okay. Do I need to guess where TNX is going? TNX is popping. Not good for stock. So this pop in the morning is not to be trusted whatsoever. Okay, whatsoever. If you buy the pop this morning, the big guy is gonna be standing next to you with the big. Let's see. Uh, look like the QQQ is of course popping this morning because everything is up a little bit, but no, do nothing. Do nothing is the playbook. Okay, ISRG is popping as well. Look at that, it's popping to 220 and not big. I mean, it was higher Friday at one point. Okay, so nothing to be excited over there. Walmart, is there any big earning today? For those that pay attention to earning, any big corporation earning? Walmart, for Walmart, for those that want to play Walmart, don't get too excited, okay? This is nasty. This is, now, what would make the big guy positive on Walmart? The 3-day head and shoulder candle pattern, okay? It's called, especially when it's at the all-time low, you see this, and if you have another candle that is about the same size as this one on the left, then he's okay if you buy on, like, let's say by 3 a.m. 3 p.m. I'm just, my brain is not even working right. By 3 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. today, if Walmart is in the situation at this, in the 120 121 level, he wouldn't say no to buying, okay, because that is the 3-day candle. I can't even speak. The 3-day candle on the low, the bounce. Okay, so the low could be in. The short-term low could be in for Walmart if we have a candle similar to the one Thursday. Keep that in mind. Okay. Best Buy or mine? I thought it was Tuesday, but if it is, Best Buy earning. Let me go. Let me log into E-Trade. A big coffee this morning is not helping my energy level. Starbucks closing, yeah, that's McDonald is selling the operation. It's all these companies are doing things that are, I wouldn't say the best for their business, but it is what it is. Whoever it is that is buying those store in Russia is gonna be the one that make the most profit. Same thing with McDonald's. Okay, it's you are treating a short-term issue and negating decades of build-up in Russia. Very smart move. Very smart move. Idiots. Um, Not much I can do or say. Let's see. Best Buy. Best Buy. Best Buy earning is before market 5:24. So tomorrow before the market opens. So we got another day of nonsense. I wouldn't touch it. Okay, nobody should be buying Best Buy here hoping for good things. So yes, I would not touch Best Buy here. Let's see, medicine, pharma. Um, hmm. Who will be calling me in New York? Let me take this phone call. Hello. 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 Yes. Yes. I'm here. Hello. Oh. Yes. All right, people, I'm back. Sorry about that. It's business. Attorneys call. I don't get call from New York ever unless it is an attorney working on a case. So when it pours, it rains. Okay, it's it's something that I learned after all these years in the business. It's just like when you least want it to be busy, you're busy. Nothing you can do about that. Okay. All right. Crap. I'm back. Socrates earning tomorrow for Best Buy. Yep. 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 Right. AAP Advanced Auto Part earning after the bell. Yeah. I mean, um, is AutoZone also one of the? There's a couple. There's the name escaped me, but there are two um company from AAP, and there's another one. There's another one. The name escaped me. Um, but those are good um, recession play. That's what I'm trying to say. Because in a bad economic time, a recession, all that nonsense car buying is going to stop, and people will be spending more money on buying parts to fix their car instead of buying new one. So the demand is pretty steady, if not O'Reilly. Okay, what's a symbol for O'Reilly? Let's take a look. It's been so long. It has been a long time since I bought and sold O'Reilly. Oh, Ollie, yeah, sure. Ollie, yeah. It's been so long because we had not been in a recession for so long, right? Ollie, yeah. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at something that could be a good play for all of us here. Ollie. All right. Um, nope, not answering that one because that now it is near the area of key support, right? Right here, here 568, 568.63. Can I move it up a little bit more? Give or take. Okay, Ollie is right there. It's coming down right at that spot. Okay. Um, can we do a channel trade? Let's draw a channel. That's pretty decent, huh? What do you think? Duplicate drawing. Okay, that's fair. It definitely passed the channel low if we care to talk about a channel there. Here we go. So if you want to nibble, I think you can, but not today. Not right now when it's popping, okay? But keep this on your watch list. Ollie, Ollie, save, Ollie, Ollie. Here we go. I wouldn't touch it here on the pop to 577 or 590. It's gonna pop. If it pop anywhere near 590, that could be a resistance. Remember, the back of the channel become a resistance until it get back inside the channel. Okay, so a stock trade inside the channel, we like to sell channel high, buy channel low. But if it break channel low, then the big guy tend to wait until it get back inside the channel. Okay, he's very patient and wait. If it doesn't, you can buy down here and sell at the channel, right? Because that channel might be a resistance. So that's the play on that. Napa is gonna pop. Oh, Napa. What's Napa? Duckhorn portfolio? What's that? I don't know. I don't know what that is. But AAP, let's take a look at AAP. AAP, um, it's gonna pop, maybe not. AAP might be a better play. Okay, Advanced Auto. Okay, let's see if we can do a channel. Let's see. We might not be able to draw some kind of channel, but if we do it like this, duplicate drawing. Yeah, it's falling out of bed. Okay, it's falling out of that. If this is a channel, I'm not saying that this is the legit channel. Okay, ideally you want the channel to have a touchdown here for it to be a channel, right? So for now, I wouldn't call this a channel. Okay, I would not call this a channel, but as far as how low can this go, I think right here is a legit support and resistance right here. This is not compared to the channel or the trend. This is it right here. If AAP drop down to down here, that's where you want to buy. Okay, if you want to be patient and wait or write a put spread down here, I might do that myself. Because look, resistant, 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 breakout. Okay, so it did not have a check back. It have a ramp higher, but for now down here, I might write a put down here. What would I do it? I might write a put, say 170, 160. That would be the range I would play for put spread down there for AAP. AAP. Okay, AAP. Save that. Okay, so Napa Auto Part is GPC. GPC, same. Oh, this one is stronger. GPC is doing even stronger. What would you do here? What would I do here? Right now, if you have it, for me, if you own it, the stop should be the 200 MA, okay, at 129 or so. So that should be your stop. You don't want to see this kind of action, okay? But for sure, I would buy at, if you don't have it, I would say just be patient. Would I buy down here at 126? Yeah, I would, but I would rather buy at the 52-week low. Okay, can you imagine a 52-week high and a 52-week low within a 2-month span? How often do you see that? You know, when the last time we see something like this? That's kind of crazy. So, seems like a very volatile stock. Okay, but to me, 126 could be a good support, short-term, near-term support, because look, it came down, it broke it, it went back, it checked back, it bounced. So yeah, that range, 125, 126. If you want to throw in a low ball order there on a big ugly red day, you might be able to grab some share between 125 and 126. But I wouldn't buy it here. Okay, the risk reward is not all that fantastic at 130. I wouldn't touch it at 130. I'd rather buy $5 lower. But yeah, it's be careful, people. That's all I gotta say. UNH, UNH got back into the channel, right? I just talked about the channel, right? So yeah, it was an ugly slide down here, and now would I buy it? if it bounce around the channel, yeah, okay, but your upside might be limited at 493. Look, the 100 MA has been rejected, 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 rejected. So at what point do you need more rejection to know that if you buy UNH here, okay, you need to get ready to pull the trigger at 492, 493. It's that simple. But I like UNH. I like you. ANTM is the one that I like a lot. Same thing. It is back inside the channel, right? So if you want to do it, but the risk reward here is kind of slim picking. 495. I'd rather buy it down here. I'm not in Anthem. I was watching it closely and I missed it right here. Okay, I'm not sure why or how I missed this touchdown here. Well, I know why. I saw a put, duh. I didn't miss it completely. I saw a put down here, so I did pocket the cash, the profit down here. But yeah, I like ANTM, but not right here, okay? XLV, which I like, but at the same time, I'm not touching it at the 20 MA, okay? Remember, XLV, XLP is the play you want going into phase 3. We are still in phase 2, so this right here could be rejection. Look at that. It's a tough, the 20 MA has stopped this stock before, okay? So this ETF, so would I buy XLV here? No. If you have XLV and it popped, which look like it is popping, aim for here, 132.87. But first and foremost, have your stop ready at the 20 MA below, okay? If it pop gap over, have your stop below so that you lock in your profit, either at the 20 MA or the low of day in the first 15 minutes, okay? Use that rule. If the stock gap up the first 15 minutes, wait until, you know, the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes. The big guy prefer the first 15 minutes. Whatever the low is of the first 15 minutes, put in your stop there so that, let's say it gapped to 131, right? Which it is looking to do, and it drift down to say 130.8, put your stop there, because then and also put an alert to sell at 132, 133. So you protect it on the downside, but if this thing keep popping to 133, you go in there and you cancel the stop order and do a sell order and get out. That's how, yes, it's cumbersome, but that's the only way to play in this kind of market. Tesla. Oh, Tesla. Oh, Tesla. That was ugly, okay? That was ugly. I believe the big guy is in the money because he sell call, okay? He sell call at like 900 strike price, which is insane. So whatever strike that he sold Friday or Thursday, whatever day it was, he sold on this day right here, on Thursday. He sold call 900, and then he buy put, sell put. He was selling and buying put even lower, all the way down to 500. Yes, even down to 500. He was doing puts. I believe he's in the money. Tesla 656, 66. Look like it's gonna be lower. I don't know what to tell you if you're in Tesla, okay? Because I have not been bullish on Tesla for weeks, right? For weeks. I wouldn't touch Tesla here. If you want to buy Tesla for a trade, you can. I wouldn't. To me, I just don't see a reason why Tesla would do well. Okay, I just don't see it. Okay, I don't. You want to see Tesla 3-year chart? This is 3-year chart. This is not going back 10 years. This is 3-year chart. Okay, so you want to see the pandemic low here. The pandemic low was 80, 84. Okay, so it has been insane. Tesla had an insane move. Okay, so I don't want to touch Tesla here. No. Would I touch Tesla at this fib? Yes. See right here? Dip, okay? That's it. If you want to know where is Tesla last decent support, it's right there. Down here at 532, 540, whatever you want to call it, okay? So that's the spot that I would buy Tesla. Yes, it is that crazy. But it is also crazy that Tesla went that insane, okay? Was I wrong to even, no, I think my time was wrong. Tesla was not that low. My bad, okay? Let me go back and take a look at Tesla. Okay, so this is 2021, this is 2020. Yeah, I was right, I was not crazy. Yeah, can you imagine Tesla doing that well? Christmas of 2020, it's about where it was back in Christmas of 2020. Yeah, that's how insane Tesla went since the Christmas of 2020. It went up too much, too fast. Pfizer has some news this morning. If you're in Pfizer, what would I do? If you want to raise stop to the 100 MA, you can. But if it pop anywhere near 54, 51, anything above 54, you should start to look to get out. Okay? Don't be greedy. Gilead gapping higher. Remember, if you still have some up here, 66, I sold all mine. Okay? The big guy is all out as well. Well, he's all out in that his put spread is way low, and he's gonna let them expire worthless and make the money there. But he's not putting on new put spread until he see 61. Okay, for him, back down here would be giddy up time for put spread on Gilead. FV, I got a bunch of put spread which will do very well as long as FV is above 149. All of my put spreads there will be profitable. No worry there. Amgen, nice move, but this is, okay, it's not random. Okay, this was a prior resistance at 250, so be careful. Okay, be very careful. You should take some profit, right? On this gap up like this, at least put your stop at the low of the first 15 minutes the market is open. Okay, so let's see. Sharp is down, Nvidia is down. What a surprise! Qualcomm is down, Netflix is down, Tesla is down. Okay, so what's up? Bitcoin is up, Booking is up, Russell small cap is up, Amazon is up a little bit, Pan W is up. All right. Okay, I still have half of my Pan W. Where would I sell? Anything near 507? Yeah. Okay, trust me, it weak to close the gap up here at 501. Look, 3 times. Okay, 3 times it got rejected up there. So I would have my order ready at 501. If you want to throw out a sell order at 501 for some shares, just in case, you can. But for sure, if it break that, 508 to 515, that's where the big guy recommend to get the F out. He doesn't see this thing breaking the 200 MA, okay? How about McDonald's? McDonald's pop. Oh, as I'm talking, let's do my put spread. Let's finish up that put spread. I don't want to miss out on that trade. Okay, put spread options. Okay, let me do my trade. Unless any other question, I will call it the day for people. Once again, be careful. Don't trust the pop. Sell into the pop. Do I need to even repeat myself? Okay, so McDonald's, my puts that I sold Friday is in the money. It's already, wow. I sold the 227 put at 320, and right now it is below $2. Buy, open, or put June 3rd. This is going out just 1 week. Limit 0.75. Yeah, I can do that. About $1. I'm doing 222, so my spread will be 227.5 and $5 lower, 222.5. I would try to do this at that price, 1.1. Place the order. It's in. So my put spread is 227, which is way down here. It's got a long way to go. I'm not concerned, but I gotta put the spread in. Otherwise, the big guy will be saying, "What did I tell you? Gotta be careful." Okay. All right, people. I don't see any more questions, so keep your eyes on Orly, our new favorite play. Not favorite play, but our new play spot. Yeah, I think it's okay to buy here on the low. Okay, so if you want to throw in an order of Orly down here, you can just have a tight stop at 568, right? Or use a low of day in the first 15 minutes, whatever that low of day is. It could be right here at 572, but use a stop to protect your downside. But I think it's the key spot here, okay, of support. And then if you buy at 572, you have 590, okay? That's a good range. And if that can break 590, you have all the way to 620. Okay, so there are meats on the bone here for Orly if you can buy it down here in the 570 range. Okay, the low 570 range. The lower the better, right? Anyhow, thank you for tuning in. Busy day. I need to make myself some more coffee to raise my level of energy. Thank you for tuning in. Trade careful. I just look at the advice, the YouTube guest, whoever that is. Don't take advice from people who only know bull market. They always tell you now is a time to buy. Do you think I fit into that category? Do you think I fit into that category that this person from nowhere warned you? Yeah, you should be warned because I always tell people to buy, right? Am I that guy? Has that been that guy for the past 2 months? Have I been? Give me some credit here, please. Nonsense. If anything, I hope I save you from getting cut to death if you listen to me. Anyhow, gotta run.